Good morning, Prerna. How are you?
Good morning. I am fine. And what's about you?
I am also fine. And as you know that the Chhat Puja is started from today, and I am in my home. The Chhat Puja is celebrated. Then I am inviting to you that you must come to my home. And it is the first day of the Chhat Puja. In this day, everybody at the every house who celebrate Chhat Puja, he prepare kaddu bhat and as the form of the oblation. So it is the form of oblation, and it is distributed to all over the surrounding, and who is your friend and who is your anything that you feed to them. So I am inviting you that you must come to my home.
Okay. First of all, I would like to thanks you to invite me. And as I know that that Chhat Puja is going to start, that's why in my towards my house many people celebrate Chhat Puja. Okay, and they call us every year to take oblation. So this year they have called us to come on their to go their house and take oblation. That's why maybe we can go to their house to take oblation. That's why if I will get time, then I will sure come.
Then you must come. Everybody is calling you that you are getting time for them, and I am calling you then you are not getting time for me. Then you must come. That it is the form of oblation, and you should take these things.
Okay, if I will get time, then I will sure come.
No, okay, you try to come.
Okay, then first of all, you just tell me that what is Chhat Puja, because I don't celebrate. Our neighbor celebrates. We go their house, but they don't tell us to importance. They don't tell us that what is this festival. That's why you tell me that why we celebrate this festival.
Okay, I am going to introduce about the Chhat Puja. As we know, the Chhat Puja is the festival of the 4 days. In the first days, the mothers whoever they observe fast to the Chhat Puja, then he offer water to the sun, and in the second day he prepare pudding, rice and chapati to feed it in the form of the oblation. And the third day it is whenever everybody go to the dam or any river or any pond, and who has no any dam, who has no, they also worship in the home. He collect the water in that in the small area, and he offer the water to the sun lord. And in this day, in the third day, we offer the Chhat. In third day, the Chhat worshipper offer water to the setting sun, and the next day, the next day, the Chhat worshipper go through the dam or anything. But we are going to them from last year. That is why I am telling you about the Chhat Puja. And
okay, listen. You just told me that you worship to God's son. That it is there is any way reason to worship God's son?
Yes, I think that I don't know about that fully, but I am going to tell you that like that the sun set, and it is the natural thing that everybody has to sink and everybody has to grow. So everybody has to rise. So it is the form of that you have to that sink, and again you have to rise. So that is why it is worship to the God Sun.
Okay, means every year you celebrate this festival?
Yes, in my home every year it is celebrated. It is celebrated for a long time in my home.
Then in your home, who observed fast?
My mother and my grandmother.
Okay, then if you have invited me, I will try to come, and let's see that if I will get time to come, then I will come, because you told me many things about it, and I am very curious to see these things.
Then you must come to my home. I will see you everything. Then that what is this, and you must come to my home through the 4 days. I will introduce about the 4 days to you.
Okay, if you will introduce me, then I am ready to know about it, because we don't celebrate Chhat, and everybody who may never celebrate this, but they don't think that it is important to tell us. That's why they don't tell us.
Only they give you obligation and you take, and you don't ask to them. Then what is the importance of Chhat Puja?
They don't get time to make understand these things.
Yes, it is very complicated to understand someone, because who don't know about these things, if he will see, then he will be able to understand by itself. But if anybody will make understand through them, then he will not be able to understand. If he will see the practically, then he will be able to understand.
Okay, just you told me that when you offer earth, then you go to them. Then it is necessary to go them?
No, it is not necessary to go to them. That I have told you that if you have the near the river, then you go to the river. If you have pond, then you go to the pond. If you have know anything about the things, then you just dig the small area and collect water there. But it is necessary that you have to offer the water to the sun in the water. In the water, you have to stand in the water, and after that you have to observe. After that you have to offer the water to the God Sun.
Why it is necessary to stand in the water?
I don't know about thing, but I will try to find out the answer.
Okay, when you will get answer, then you sure tell me because I am very curious to know these things.
Whenever you will come to my home, then I will make understand you that what is the reason behind this.
Then from today it is started.
Yes, from today it is started and it will be celebrated next 4 days.
Okay, then tomorrow what will you do?
Tomorrow I will not do anything. My mother and my grandmother will do. Then in the evening time he will light the oven with the mangoes trees on the third day. And you have asked about me that about tomorrow. In this day my grandmother and mother prepare the food on the mangoes wood, and in this day he prepare rice pudding and chapati to as the form of the oblation, and she distribute to all of the neighbors, and she called to the any relationships members, and they come to my home and they take oblations.
Okay, you just told me that it runs 4 days. Then okay, if you have again I am saying you thank you to invite me. Then I am very curious to know about all 4 days. Okay, then thanks for invited me. And today we are going to finish our topic here. So thank you, viewers.
Thank you.